Hello, welcome back to Jackson Draws. Today we are going to draw a paper airplane. This is what it's going to look like. Before we start, please subscribe so you won't miss out on more videos. Okay, this video is really easy. About a 3 or 4 year old can draw it if they know their shapes. So first, we are going to draw a triangle about this big for one of the wings of the paper airplane. Now I'm just going to draw a tinier one and then connect it in right here and color that in. Now another tinier, and connect it to this line. Now we have the top of the paper airplane, so now the part you hold on to. So a tinier triangle, and then connect it in. There, paper airplane. Now that you know, I'm just gonna keep drawing them. It's a paper airplane palooza. I'm just gonna keep drawing them. You already know the steps, so you can do it anytime. Now the wind. There's that squiggles everywhere. And there's the wind. Now maybe just one more paper airplane. But this one's going down, 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 down. Color this in. Part you hold on to. Maybe just one tiny. There are tiny paper airplanes. So you can see it. There it is. There's tiny. There's normal size. So now I'm just gonna add a tinier. Maybe color it all black. Yay, a tinier. It's a tinier. So you can see it. Here's the black tinier one going down. Wait, I'm gonna change it. That is just gonna be one part of a paper airplane. Whee! 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 And there! Now that is cool. I'll show you how to draw it on this side. So first, draw a triangle. And then draw a line out, and then in, and then draw another out, and then in, and then from here, do that. And now you just learned how to draw this, right here. Voila! How to draw paper airplanes. you like this video, please subscribe. Or else when you make a paper airplane, they won't fly at all. See you next time.